Stop right there. Seriously. Before you open another Chrome tab, watch this. Browsing the web hasn't really changed in a decade, and neither have the risks. Every site you visit is fingerprinting your device, scraping your behavior, and those AI tools you're pasting work into, they might be logging everything you type. If you're still using Chrome for work or school, you're making things way harder and way less safe than they need to be. Think about it. You open 20 tabs, your computer starts lagging, your battery drains, and you waste hours copying text into AI tools that could actually be tracking you. But what if I told you there's a browser that fixes all of this, instantly, automatically, and for free? Enter Norton Neo, the first safe AI native browser designed to actively protect you. It doesn't just load web pages, it reads, summarizes, and cleans up your entire workflow. Plus, it's built by Norton, the same security team that's protected millions of people for years. Download link is in the description. Let me walk you through a workflow that literally saves me hours every single day. Let's dive in. All right, here's the main dashboard. Right away, you'll notice this is totally different from Chrome. It's clean, smooth, and super minimal. The craziest part? Neo stores your data locally on your own computer, not on some random cloud server. This search bar right here is called the Magic Box. But before we play with that, let's look at the hardcore security features running in the background. Up here in the toolbar, with just one click, you can turn on the built-in Norton VPN. And don't skip this step. It's not one of those sketchy free VPNs. It actually runs on Norton's premium servers with a strict zero-log policy that gets audited every single year. So whether you're working from a local cafe, a hotel, or just trying to bypass location blocks, your internet traffic is completely hidden and encrypted, built right into the browser, no separate apps to download, no extra fees. Now this is where things get really interesting. Most people have no idea this even happens, but websites constantly scan your screen size, graphics card, and even your fonts to build a hidden profile on you. They track you even if you delete your cookies. But if you click on Settings and go to the Security tab, you'll see Neo stops this completely. By default, it blocks this tracking across the entire internet. You don't have to change any complicated settings. The second you launch Neo, it starts scrambling your digital footprint. That's the difference between a browser that adds security as an afterthought and one built by Norton from day one. Let me jump into Gmail to read a sponsorship request. Watch closely. Neo actually caught this email before I even clicked on it. It spotted a potential phishing scam and gave me a massive warning right on the screen. This is Neo's built-in email phishing protection. It actively checks your emails as they arrive, catching clever scams that could easily trick even internet veterans. If you're a freelancer or creator dealing with sketchy invoices or fake brand emails, this feature alone makes the browser worth it. Let's test out that magic box. I'll search for how to make money online in 2026. In an old browser, you'd be opening 20 different tabs right now, but Neo fixes that completely with a feature called Peek. I just hover over this link here, click the Peek button, and a quick preview pops up. I scan it, realize it's not helpful, and just close it. I'm still right on my main search page. Move to the next link, Peek, scan, close. It's incredibly smooth, and it literally cuts my daily research time in half. But what if I need more details without opening a new window? I just click this summary button next to the title, and a clean list of the main points pops up instantly. Here's the best part. I can actually chat with this summary right inside the pop-up. I'll ask it a quick question about the making money it mentioned. Almost instantly, it gives me a clear answer, complete with source links. And yes, I can peek those exact sources right inside the chat box. I'm fact-checking everything without opening a single extra tab. Let's actually open one of these articles. Once it's fully loaded, I'll hit the Neo AI icon up in the top right corner. This brings up the AI side panel, which neatly snaps to the side instead of blocking the page. I just type, summarize this page, and immediately get clean bullet points. And don't miss this detail at the bottom. It shows exactly where it pulled that information from. No guessing, just full transparency. You can do this on literally any website, saving you from reading giant blocks of text every single day. If you're someone who always has way too many tabs open, you'll love this. Let's open something totally random, like FIFA World Cup 2026. Keep your eyes on the top bar. Notice that Neo instantly figured out it was about sports and grouped it into a new sports folder automatically. Let's do one more, Squid Game Season 3. Just like that, it makes an entertainment group and drops the tab right inside. Forget about drowning in 30 messy tabs. The browser actually understands what you're reading and cleans up your workspace for you. Now, this is where things get crazy. I've got 4 different tabs open researching AI video software. Inside the AI search bar, I just type the @ symbol and link all 4 of those open tabs. Then I tell it, read these 4 pages and write a 60-second YouTube script comparing them. The output is incredible. It isn't just generic fluff. It actually pulled real facts from those specific pages and wrote a perfect, tailored script. Normal AI tools can't do this because they can't see your open windows. Plus, your privacy is fully protected. Neo routes these questions through their secure servers, so the AI companies never get your actual IP address. And with a strict zero data retention policy, nothing you query is ever stored on their end either. Let's turn on split view. The browser perfectly snaps into 2 active screens right next to each other. I can put one tool on the left side and its competitor on the right. I can scroll and click around on both pages at the exact same time. If you do product research, read reviews, or just compare options, this is a total lifesaver. You don't have to keep switching back and forth between windows anymore. It's all right there in front of you. Next up, let's switch to vertical tabs. We all know how Chrome's top bar gets completely useless once you have too many things open. Here, all your tabs shift to a neat list on the left side. You can easily read the full titles, see your groups, and find exactly what you need incredibly fast. Honestly, this feature alone makes Neo feel like a premium upgrade for anyone who spends their whole day online. Let's open up Google Docs to write a script. As soon as the page loads, the Neo AI side panel pops up. I ask it to write an intro for a video about 2026 AI tools. Instead of giving me some boring robotic text, it actually writes a punchy intro based on the exact research I just did during this session. I can easily tweak it, make it shorter, or change the vibe without ever leaving my document. Then simply copy it and paste it into Google Docs. Your research and your writing happen in one seamless place. One of the most annoying things about standard AI is having to explain your rules every single time you open it. Neo solves that completely. I just type, always remember I like my scripts under 60 seconds, and it's locked in. If you look under settings and click manage memories, you can see it saved right there. But here's the crucial part. You have full control. You can change it, delete it, or wipe everything instantly. It's not creeping on your data behind the scenes. It's totally transparent, and you are always in charge. And that is a full look at Norton Neo 2.0. Let me sum it up for you. Premium Norton VPN, automatic anti-tracking, super smart email protection, and an AI assistant that lives right next to your work. Add in automatic tab grouping, split view, vertical tabs, and smart memory. All for absolutely free. Fast, safe, intelligent. That is Neo. The official download link is right down in the description. You can get it on Windows, Mac, and there are even mobile apps for Android and iOS. Try out this exact workflow for yourself and drop a comment below letting me know how much time it saved you. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more workflows that make your life easier.